Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing video of my Prusa Research MK3s, i3 MK3s. It's my brand new 3D printer, just arrived today. And Prusa typically wins the highest rated 3D printers in the Make magazine shootouts, and so that's the one I went with. Hopefully reduce my learning curve. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video. Came in just a few weeks, which was nice. First thing I noticed when I opened it up, it came with a container of gummy bears, which is now gone. Ate those already. And the next thing I pulled out was what I thought was a receipt, but it turns out to be a test report that shows that all the tests worked well on the machine before it was sent out. And there's a congratulations note with some links to pages to visit with the user's guide and drivers and more information, and a QR code that you can scan. There's a cheat sheet on the back that includes information about different types of nuts and bolts that were used to put it together. You can buy these in a kit for about $150 less. I decided to pay the extra and just get it pre-assembled, since I know with my limited time it would probably take me months before I would actually get around to putting it together. And we got some stickers from Prusa and a 3D printing handbook. Nice color handbook here, looks to be pretty comprehensive. So we'll be looking at that. And then I had a couple of boxes inside here, which were 2 extra boxes of filament that I ordered. They fit right down in the box with the printer. We have 2 types of filament that I ordered here. I ordered some silver PLA filament and ordered some black PETG filament. So we'll try a couple of different types here and see how we like it. Did not order ABS, so we'll try our luck with PLA and PETG. So, all right. So then we've got printer here, and oh, there's the printer, just setting down inside there. A couple of other boxes here, which I'm guessing might be power cords and such. What we have here is some more filament. Okay, there's some silver PLA filament. I don't know if I ordered 2 or if it just came with some filament by default, but I'll have to double check the original order there. All right, the next box, we've got spool holders. Looks like a spool holder base and then 2 other spool holders. We have some spare parts. Looks like assorted nuts and bolts. That's nice to throw in. And some pliers and Allen wrenches and a screwdriver. Okay. And then we have a power cord and a USB cable. And a spatula for scraping off the base of the bed. Looks to be some glue. I'm guessing that is basically a glue stick for coating the bed so things won't stick on it. The writing is not in English, so I'll have to read the instruction manual and make sure that that's what that is, but I'm pretty sure that's what that is. And some kind of a surface cleaner wipe, or yeah, it feels like a wipe of some kind. Oh, and just kind of hanging in there loose is a 16 gig SD card, which I assume is for firmware. And we'll find out more about what all these pieces are for when we read the instruction manual. Let me go ahead and take the printer out now. That seems to be the only thing left in the box. Looks like a couple of feet that slid off here. So I'm not sure exactly where those go. I will have to figure out how to reattach the feet. But there's the printer. So it's got a zip tie on it there. Zip tie on it there. And I said these couple of rubber feet from the rear that I need to reattach. And that seems to be everything in the box. So you can see it's fully assembled here. Just take a quick peek underneath here, see if I can see where these feet attach. Okay. Yeah, it looks like there's some channels here, and they probably just slide in these channels. One. Over the other side. And slide that in. All right. I got all the feet in. And it is good to go. So from here, I think I will take some time to read the instruction manual and see where to go next. This came with the steel plate. There's also a powder coated plate, which is on back order. So maybe when that is available, I'll get one of those. But for now, I'll use the steel plate. So anyway, that was my unboxing of the Prusa i3 MK3s, excuse me, and looking forward to giving it a try. So thanks.